Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a house that was reduced in price. Are you someone looking for a beautiful home in cool Manchester, or a retiree seeking that cozy place to come home to? Well, this 5-bedroom, 4-bathroom house is perfect for you. This 2-story house has all the trappings of a dream home. Master bedroom with ensuite bath and walk-in closet, 3 other bedrooms and 2 other bathrooms, a study, kitchen, powder room, TV and entertainment lounge, laundry room, a deck and balcony, and there is still more. There is also a self-contained 1-bedroom, 1 bath with its own laundry and kitchenette. The land size is 1/4 acre and is well fruited and has ample space for gardening. With the newly built leg of the South Coast Highway ending with 3 minutes from this property, it is now just 1 hour from Kingston. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is £200,000, or Jamaican $40.1 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.